Enter a vehicle right from your desk with the interactive HMI database screens.
We're going to start off with the head unit, and the first thing we're going to look at is navigation. We can zoom in or zoom out. We can look for destinations or cancel the route altogether. Next up is phone. We're going to need a Bluetooth device connected, and we're immediately redirected to the settings. The personal assist is currently deactivated, so we're going to move on to our next point, the EV menu. We have different options to choose from. We can, for example, look for charging stations. One more time. Or we can take a look at the charging status on the right side of the display. We're going to try out the board computer on the right, where we can find more information on different trips as well as energy consumption. Let's go back one step, and we could potentially connect an HDMI device or move on to our next point, power flow, the same animation we've seen earlier. Let's move back to the left side of the display and on to traffic announcements. Those have been deactivated for the time being. Smartphone connection, where we can connect new devices, and the All Applications feature, ranging from general settings to apps, as well as different radio channels, the electric vehicle menu, telephone, and much more options to choose from. Basically, the entire spectrum of settings regarding your vehicle. We're going to scroll back up to the beginning and move on. We could potentially switch between different screens, or we could move on to the next point and show the different applications spread out across the displays. We can swipe to the left or to the right and choose one of the options given. We're going to go with date and time and choose the digital clock. Or we can go back and choose another display. This time is going to be the Wi-Fi hotspot settings. Right here. Once selected, the application will move to the left side of the display in full screen mode. The next thing we're going to do is change the language. We're going to choose English and save our changes. Let's move on to the exterior mirrors, which are actually installed on the inside. No touchscreen function provided. We're going to move to the left side. Same procedure. Again, no touchscreen function provided. To wrap things up, we're going to take a look at the instrument cluster, as well as the digital rear view mirror. Back to the instrument cluster, we can use the left side of the steering wheel to switch between different driver assistance systems visible in the left side of the instrument cluster. We can turn the volume up or down by using the buttons or scroll through the information given on the driver assistance systems. The right side of the steering wheel is used to activate the driver assistance systems. For example, the speed limiter. Other options are available by using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel.
To see the whole video, create your own free account at screensstudio.com/signup/demo and start benchmarking right away.